All right, my friend, if you're ever wondering how to get from Cancun to Veracruz, the coffee capital of Mexico, of Coatepec, we're going to show you the way. Vámonos, let's go. It's 4 a.m. We're tired. Make sure you grab a snack before you leave home when you have these early flights. Save yourself some time and build up some energy. At least a banana, if nothing else. Okay, let's go. And coffee. Oh. All right, my friend, we are through security. It was a piece of cake. I'm a little bit worried about the drone, so just remember, if you are traveling with a drone as a tourist, as long as it's over 250 grams, you're okay. So the under, sorry, as long as it's under, I'm tired. As long as it's under 250 grams, you are okay. So the little Neo or the Mini DJI, you're all good. Okay, let's get some coffee in us. Look at this.
Nothing's open.
That's for pets. A little pet seat. So you can sit there with your little pet. That's kind of cute, eh? Mm-hmm. Adorable. We don't have a pet though. Okay, let's find some coffee. Alright guys, so we caught an Uber from our home, and our dear friend Fernando gave us a ride. I didn't do any recording because it was pretty dark, so there was really no point. So our Uber was 600 pesos for an airport transfer from Puerto Morelos to the Cancun Airport. And I'm sure Jennifer gave him a good tip since he is our friend, so. All right, let's go to the gift shop. We don't want nothing though. So, once we land in Veracruz, it's about an hour and 45-minute flight. And then we're gonna hop on an ADO bus or a van, we're not quite sure yet. Stick around, let's find out. So from there, we're gonna get on to another mode of transportation and drive into Xalapa, which is about an hour and a half, 2 hours roughly. And then from there, once we're in Xalapa, we'll be hopping in a taxi and head to Coatepec to our Airbnb. So vámonos, let's go. So we started our morning at 2 o'clock. I'm going on about 2 hours of sleep here, so. Everything's all closed up. There was a Starbucks down below, but they were closed, just about to open up, she said. 10 Mexican minutes. So we are flying with
Aviva. No, just Viva.
Viva. Okay. And I'll give you the particulars for the flight right there. So another travel hack. I'm wearing my hiking boots because I plan on doing some hiking while I'm there. So I have my running shoes packed in the bag and wearing my heaviest shoe. So, little travel hack. Speaking of shoes, there you go. Look at that. Forrest Gump. Oh, looks like we got some stuff open here. All right, so welcome to the Cancun Airport here with 2 Gringos on the Gulf. Cancun to Veracruz, then to Coatepec. Vámonos. Okay, a little airport snack. Empanada from the airport, and you said it was tasty. How much was all of the stuff?
366 pesos.
366 pesos for 2 empanadas, 1 coffee, and 1 tea. Okay. We'll put that up there in Americano dollars for you gringos. Okay, us gringos are gonna eat and go to the baño. You know guys, I actually find the experience of flying in Mexico and around Mexico just very chill and laid back, like going through security, and the whole process is just tranquilo, very chill. That's my observation anyway. Okay, smooth sailing, let's go. Walk the gangplank. Vámonos. All right, in Veracruz. Vámonos, let's go. About an hour and 45 minutes roughly to touchdown. Okay. Oh. Daniel. Okay, there's our bird. Pretty smooth flight. A little bit of turbulence, not bad. It was good. Happy to be on the ground. Alright guys, we'll have a quick baño break and go find ourselves the ADO bus here. Vámonos out that way somewhere. So when you get off the plane, you got a place here to grab a bite to eat or something to drink. Right here. Perfecto. Well, it looks like this is the ADO bus right here to go to Xalapa. I'm gonna guess somewhere over here anyway. One of these buses. Hola. Buenos días.
Here I go. Chat.
Yeah, it looks like this is the ADO bus right here that goes to Xalapa. So as soon as you come out the door, there's going to be buses right here. They run every 15 minutes apparently, so a little bit misty. Okay, so you got to come back in and buy your tickets, and they're right by the bathroom. So you're going to come out over here, and the ADO bus is right here to the left. When you come out, you'll see the sign. So you got the taxi, there's a blue sign that says taxi, and then you got the ADO bus. So you line up here and we'll get our tickets and we'll see how much they are. All right, so now we wait till 8 o'clock. The tickets were 400 pesos per person from Veracruz to Xalapa to get on the ADO bus, and it's just a van basically. And then you get your tickets on your phone, so she set Jennifer up. So, and that's it. It was a little bit of a process. We had to wait in line for a while, but we were in and out really quick once we got up to the counter. Okay, now hurry up and wait. What do you got? Oh, peanuts. Nuts for the nutty. Yeah, so the plane was packed, and it looks like the bus is also packed. I think it runs every half hour, not every 15 minutes. So. made her to the ADO bus station. Now we go try to find a taxi. About an hour and a half. It was a pretty good ride. There's no problem. Rained a little bit. A lot of traffic getting out of the city. So now we'll try to find a taxi. Exit Toledo. Okay, so when you come in, the taxi guy's right there, and it's 200 pesos. So Roger said 180, but 200. I mean, whatever. It's convenient, and he's right there. So, and that's it. Now you leave the ADO bus station. You got a little strip mall in here. They even got a McDonald's, for heaven's sakes. There's everything in here. You get something to eat. Probably a bathroom in here too. But we've only got about a half-hour ride, so a little better than half hour. But yeah, they got everything in here. Even got a Burger King back there. Burger King, McDonald's. A little bit brisk out. Brisk. This is not Puerto Morelos weather, that's for sure. It's actually nice though. It's fresh. Very fresh. Okay. Okay, because we bought our ticket inside, we have to go down the ramp. So, oh yeah, so they're all driving around over here, okay. She saw the sign that just said taxi, and then there was an arrow, but we didn't actually read it. And then we went back and we read this. Jennifer read the sign, she's like, oh, down here. Okay. Here's your taxi booth here too. So any one of these guys, I guess. We got it all figured out. We had to go down the ramp, that's all. Okay, vámonos, let's go. Vámonos, Coatepec. Yeah! Hallelujah. All right, Chico, we are on our way in a taxi now. It's 200 pesos. Right from the bus station, the ADO bus station to Coatepec, 200 pesos. Feels good to be back here. Okay, there was a few 98, so yeah, and this one's got the Airbnb sign. So we're not by the Happy Dog. Hola, buenos dias.
Daryl y Jennifer Pocket.
So Roger just lives right over there. Okay. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for following along. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. Adios. Hasta luego. We'll show you the Airbnb on the next vid. Come on back. Thanks for following along. Vámonos. She's warm now. Nice. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And remember, as always, be kind to one another.
Se van con el viento, a otras se las lleva el mar, sonando y bailando la vida del sonero, cruzando tierras y montes. vida sin intentar, dispersando la alegría en su son madero. Semillas y semillas, las semillas del sol vinieron de los